For our fifth recipe, we're going to make a really quick recipe, fried rice with pineapple. Very different combination, especially from Montenegrins. Okay. But fried rice in general is something I like to do very much. It's very quick, and it's a great use of leftover rice. Or you can even plan for it. You can always make more jasmine rice when you cook green curry or anything else. Yes. And you know you will use the leftover for fried rice. And again, like many recipes so far, you do the prep work in 5 minutes, and then you cook for like 5-6 minutes, and it's already done. It's fried rice, it's quick cooking. We're not going to chop anything now, it's already prepared. We have cooked rice. Yes. We have salami. You can use anything like salami that you would use for pizza. You make cubes, and then carrot, garlic, onion, and then pineapple, of course, tomatoes, and scallion, spring onions. Spring onion. A little bit of raisins. Raisins, yes. Some sugar, salt, and pepper. Yeah. Great. Yes. We start straight away? Yes. We start straight away. We are starting with high heat? Yes. High heat. So, quick cooking, high heat. The 1-2 tablespoons? Just only one, that's okay. Just one. 1 tablespoon of... Yeah, enough. And we start adding the ingredients. Carrot. So, carrot. Yes, carrot. All together. Yes, please. Carrot, garlic, onion goes in. Carrot, garlic, onion. All go in. Get some heat on. So we add the salami now? Yes. Okay. We add the salami, because the salami will need to cook slightly longer. Yeah. Salami in, vegetables in. And here? Straight away? No? Yeah. Okay. Now, raisins. Now the rice. Yes, right. All of this or just ananas? Yes. All of it? Yeah. Okay. Tomatoes as well? No, the last. And a little bit. Of scallion? Yeah, not it all, but for decoration also. Okay. Shall I put the scallion now? Yeah. Okay. A little. Little? Yes. Okay. Enough? Enough. Pepper. Some pepper now? Yeah. Enough? Okay, enough. Okay. Sugar? A little. Some sugar. How much do I put? A little. Just a little. Okay, enough. I try to. Okay. And salt. Some salt as well. You try first in the ham. Is it too salty or not? Okay, and after that you got enough. Okay. Just look amazing, and they smells amazing too. Okay, another dish is done. This time fried rice, cutting, preparing, all done in like 7 to 8 minutes, which is really quick and really fresh dish. Like I would say, for me it's an amazing light dinner. For example, I don't know. Yeah. I usually eat fried rice for dinner. I don't know. So that's it for fried rice. Good? Yes. Yes.